Hey, all right. Let's look at our update for the week. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope everybody's staying virus free. Hope you're watching a lot of great Netflix stuff. The Ozarks, can't turn it off. It's fascinating. Not as good as Breaking Bad, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm gonna finish season 3 the next couple days. I started just the other day on season 1. It's fantastic. Anyway, before we get into this week, a lot of you are not turning your assignments. Okay, this is easy stuff, guys. You watch the Ed puzzles. You take the notes, you do the assignments that are sent, and you knock out that quiz on Friday. There's a lot of you haven't gotten these things done. This is easy, easy points. Those of you who are out there who are not doing it or are not turning anything in, I don't know what you want me to do. I can't give you points. Okay, you have to do this. This is on you guys. Get that work done. If you have problems, email me. Let me know. We'll work something out. Okay. Tuesday of this week, you'll have a Congress of Vienna little lecture. It's real short and sweet over a PowerPoint. I'm gonna put it on Ed Puzzle so I know you watched it. Make sure you watch it on there, not just on the YouTube channel. I don't know if you've seen it on YouTube. I can see it's got views, but I don't know who it's from. So watch it on Ed Puzzle. There's a short reading, one-page reading and some questions. You may have to make a Word document to answer the questions. I'm gonna send it to you in PDF format. If you can print it out and send it back in, scan it in, great. If not, just bullet point them, type it out, and send it in that way. You can do it on your iPad or your Chromebook. That's fine. Okay. Wednesday, Latin American Revolutions. There's a lecture on that. I'll send to you as well. It too will be on Ed Puzzle. There'll be a note guide with it. They'll be posted on Classroom. And then on Wednesday, you'll have a Latin American Revolutions video on Ed Puzzle as well. The lecture itself is incredibly short. The Ed Puzzle for the crash course video, those are typically your 10, 15-minute videos. Thursday, you will have a guided notes only over German and Italian unification. No homework per se, just watch the lecture, take your notes. And then on Friday, there will be a question, a reading and a question sheet on German unification. Again, I'm going to try to get that to you in a Google Doc. I don't know if it's not formatting well. It may again be in PDF, in which case you can just write in the questions on Word or something and send that to me. Okay. All of that the next 4 days will be due the following Monday on April 20th. Make sure you get it done. No quiz or anything this week. Again, if you guys have any questions, problems, comments, concerns, anything for the good of the cause, let me know. Otherwise, stay virus free and have a great week.